Maybe she'll step under it.
Bird bath. Redneck bird bath. Ah!
Do you like that, Monk?
Monkey. Bird named Monkey.
Creeper? You're funny. Look at this, Mommy. This is hilarious.
Wet bird.
Yeah, Monkey. You happy, aren't you? Yeah, Monk. Oh, you like that? You're making a mess. Oh, are you done? Are you done? Yeah, Monk. Are you done? Are you done, Monk? You can get back in if you want. I really don't care.
Oh no, she's looking at me. Oh no, the bird.
Hey, pretty birdie. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty monkey. Are you a pretty monkey? Are you cold? She looks funny when she's wet.
She does. It cracks me up that her name's Monkey, even though she's a bird.
I know, we didn't name her though.
Touche. But you would name her Monkey, I bet.
Well, she sounds like a monkey.
Set this on the banana.
Set this on the banana.
That's how I hold it.
Pretty bird. Pretty, pretty, pretty bird. Sorry.
She's like, what's going on?
Pretty, pretty, pretty monkey. Are you pretty bird? Are you pretty bird? Your camera's a little wet. I mean, your phone's a little wet on that
All
side.
good. It's all good.
Are you done? Here you go.
So, pirate.
I am a pirate.
Secretly.
Yep. Oh, you just got me all wet.
So, like, Garen is a secret pirate. He has skulls on his tie.
Yeah.
So, okay. Bye, pretty bird.